Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can stream various videos in various platforms, whether it is TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. So you can use this tool to stream to these platforms. So you can download this all-in-one suite for live streams. It offers us simple tools to go live in popular platforms and engage with your viewers, design your stream and grow. So you can go live in minutes to any platform. So they have paid out around 1.4 billion to streamers since 2015. So these are the popular product that they have. You have Streamlabs desktop, which is a desktop version using which you can conduct live stream. You can multi-stream, stream to multiple platforms together. You can personalize your stream with overlays. So once you are set up, you can set up various overlays. So these are some of the overlays that is there. Then you can have a lot of apps built within the stream. So you can have these overlays. So you can have those overlays in your video. You can even invite guests. You can have donation tab. So you can start utilizing it. So you can invite guests to collab cam, where you can collaborate with multiple streamers if you want. So this is a very useful tool. You can get custom alert when somebody tips you by notification. You can drive engagement with fun widgets. So Cloudboard is another tool that you can use. This is a chatbot provided by Entertainment. So you can record and post highlights in a snap. So all these things you can do with the Streamlabs. So this is not a sponsored video. This is something which I found useful. So Streamlab is free for most of the people, most of the functionalities. If you are a professional streamer, you can use $27 per month. So these are the functionalities that it provides. So in this way, you can utilize it to stream. Whether you are a gamer, then you can stream it with the image or video stream here, and along with the screen of the game. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.